Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hasbizar Pansaniago. Uh, this time I will explain about the database. What is a database and why is it important in modern technology? In this era, most human beings have used hardware such as cell phones, computer, laptops, and others. Every day we access various applications online and offline. Before all that happens, did you know that behind it all there is a data storage process system commonly referred to as a database? Database is a computer network technology term that has many benefits in the form of data storage. A database is a collection of data that is managed in such a way based on certain provisions that are interconnected so that it's easy to manage. Through this management, user can find it easy to find information, store information, and discard information. Another definition of database is a system that functions as a collection of files, tables, or archives that are connected and stored in various electronic media. Why is it important in modern technology? Databases are essential because they allow for the efficient storage, retrieval, and management of vast amount of information in various fields, including business, healthcare, education, finance, and more. They support decision making, improve productivity, enable automation, and provide insight through data analysis. Without database, it would be difficult to manage and utilize the huge amount of data that generated in modern world. The database system has important elements including the database as core of database, system or software used to process database and hardware used in support of data processing process. And human have a significant role in the system. Database system play a very important role in management information system where database system act as component infrastructure information source means for the efficiency and means for the effectiveness of management information systems. uh, and why do people and organization use database? Give the examples. People and organization use database to storage, manage, and process large volume of data effectively and securely. Here are the few reasons and the example. The reason why, because the efficiency. Database enable quick and easy access to information, even if in large database. For example, a hospital use the database to store patient information, medical history, and test result, allowing doctor to quickly access and update the records. For the uh, next one is the data integrity. Database enforce rules that ensure data consistency and accuracy. For the example, a bank use a database to manage customer accounts, ensuring that the transactions are accurate and preventing duplicate or erroneous data entries. And for the security, database allow for control access, protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. For the example, e-commerce website store customer data, including uh, credit card, or the sales for the card information, secure database to ensure safety during transaction. And next reason is the data analysis and reporting. Database support the collection of analysis data, which is essential for decision making. For the example, a retail store use database to track sale trends and inventory, helping management to make data driven decision about restocking and the promotion. And what are some common use of database in daily life? and mention the example. For the in daily life, for the example in banking system, when we check our bank balance or make a transaction, the information is stored and processed in a database. It manages account balance, transaction history, and the customer data. And the next example is for the online shopping. E-commerce platform like Shopee, Tokopedia, etc. Use database to store the product information, customer details, order history, and inventory status. When you browse a website, the database provides real-time updates on product availability and prices. How does cloud database storage differ from local database storage? What the are the advantage? For the cloud database storage, is hosted and remote servers and accessed over the internet. It provides scalability, remote access, and backup option. Cloud service provider like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure manage and maintain the infrastructure. And some advantage of using the cloud database storage is the accessibility, scalability, backup, and recovery, and cost effective. While the local database storage are stored on physical servers or device within an organization premise. Access is limited to the local network or specific device. Some advantage is full control of the database in management and enhanced security with a local firewall and physical access restriction. And if you were to design a database for a school, what key information would you store and why? For a school database, the following key information will be stored is like the student information, because to with that information to track the personal detail like name, contact info, academic record, grades, and attendance. For example, is the student ID, name, date of birth, grade level, and course enroll. For the teacher information, because the teacher information is to manage staff detail and course assignment. For the example is teacher ID, name, subject type, and class schedule. For the grades and performance, cause to monitor student academic progress and provide reports. For the example is student grades for each subject, semester GPA, and test score. For the attendance records, cause to track student attendance and ensure accountability. For the example is attendance that absence, late arrival, and reasons for absent. So that is my explanation about the database. Hope you understand. Uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.